You can learn all kind of things, not just languages. Anything that has to do with sound and some text, you can learn from this. Here I'll show you the use of the My Entry for learning Morse code. Normally, I can hear English synthesized voice from the mobile device. There are many other languages, but if I choose to record something on top of the text, I can hear anything I want. The starting screen of the Encore app will look like this. So I start this. So in My Entry, I've already filled out some entries here. This is the Morse code, but then I also have bird calls. Now in these kind of My Entries, you can record sounds. Here you can see I made a playlist of Morse code sounds. And I put SOS on the top. The first part is going to be articulated by the synthesized voice, and the second part is recorded. When I edit, I can alter the sequence. I can choose a pause. I'll choose a short pause. I can choose a number of repetitions, and I press done, and let's play it.
SOS dot 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 dash 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 dot dot dot. E dot I dot dot S dot 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 H dot 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 T dash M dash dash A dot dash N dash dot U dot dot dash R dot dash dot K dash dot dash W dot dash dash O dash 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 G dash dash dot V dot 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 dash F dot dot dash dot L dot dash dot dot P dot dash dash dot J dot dash 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 B dash dot 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 D dash dot dot C dash dot dash dot Y dash dot dash dash X dash dot dot dash Q dash dash dot dash Z dash dash dot dot
While you're learning this Morse code, you can do other things while you're learning it. If you want to teach somebody else, you can then play a playlist, then record the screen and post it, share that screen recording with a number of repetitions with your students. That way, you can propagate your knowledge to the rest of the world.